In 2007, with enthusiasm for the connector industry, Mr. Bob Yang resolutely started from scratch and founded Shenzhen Antenk Electronics Co Limited, developing expertise over time and brand with ingenuity. Antenk has grown into a core force in the connector field. With further development in the industry, Antenk has continuously expanded its business portfolio. In 2023, Antenk purchased the factory buildings in Huizhou Zhongkai High-Tech Industrial Development Zone and set up a wholly owned company, Huizhou Antenk Electronics Co Limited, thereby providing a broader space for its large-scale standardized development. Now, Antenk employs more than 300 people. Its core R&D team of over 20 members, like a source of wisdom, constantly promotes technological innovation. Antenk offers more than 100,000 models of different types and specifications, such as board-to-board connectors, wire-to-board connectors, pin headers and female headers, round pin headers and female headers, IDC connectors, DIN 41612 connectors, SCSI connectors, D-sub connectors, 1,384 connectors, terminal blocks, and servo and new energy vehicle connectors and battery holders. The products are widely used in many key sectors such as high-speed railways, automobiles, automation, industrial control, security monitoring, photovoltaic energy storage, instruments, meters, and street lamps. Equipped with advanced punching, injection molding, and automated assembly equipment, Antenk has developed a complete chain from R&D and design to manufacturing. As an integrated manufacturer of connectors, cables, and wire harnesses, Antenk rapidly responds to customer demands and efficiently delivers products. In addition, Antenk achieves comprehensive cost control through fine management and offers cost-effective solutions to customers, thereby gaining a competitive edge in fierce market competition. Regarding quality as its lifeline, Antenk has made a huge investment in comprehensive testing equipment. A series of testing facilities contributes to Antenk's solid quality assurance system, including 2.5D image measuring machines, film thickness testers, facade testing equipment, overcurrent and overvoltage testers, needle frame testers, single-axis mechanical vibration testers, short spray testers, high current withstand voltage testing equipment, and reflow soldering testers. Based in the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area, Antenk has gone global. Antenk has set up sales offices in Kunshan of Jiangsu, Vietnam, and Mexico in succession. At present, with partners in more than 50 countries such as Mexico, the US, Australia, the UK, Germany, and Japan, Antenk has established a long-term close partnership respectively with globally renowned enterprises such as Midea, Siemens, Flex, Molex, Jabil, FCI, Honeywell, and Sharp. Holding over 10 invention patents and more than 60 utility model patents, Antenk has obtained ISO 9001, ISO 45001, ISO 14001, and IATF 16949 certifications. Certified by SGS, REACH, and UL, Antenk has been rated as a national high-tech enterprise in Shenzhen and a specialized innovative enterprise. Antenk will continue to bravely embrace challenges and opportunities to attract customers through innovation. Giving new impetus to industry growth, Antenk will fulfill its corporate responsibilities and aspirations for the country's prosperity and write its new chapter of development.
一群人，一条心，一起